Hey y'all, so I wanted to come on and do a quick unboxing video. I got something in the mail. I don't know what it is. So, figured why not open it on camera? Oh! I think it's the Snail Mucin. Yes! TikTok shop, thank you. Finally. I googled what snail mucin is actually, and it's the slime that they leave when they're done like sliding across. So these people actually collect the slime from the snail and put it in this stuff, or I don't know if this is all it is, but either way, I'm finna use it on my face anyway. I don't even care. Snail secretion filtrate. God damn. We gonna try it though. That's in Chinese. Wait. Well, okay, there we go. English. Yeah. Pat using fingertips to aid absorption, and then go forth with your moisturizers. I don't have moisturizer, so we're just gonna do this. Let's see. Look at how to get in the box. Oh, looks like I'm ripping it open. This is what it looks like out the box. So, yeah. That's that. Oh my God, I'm nervous. This is what my face looked like before with a filter. Hold on. Okay, that was my favorite filter, but this is what I look like without the filter and without the Snail Mucin, using it for the first time. Here we go. Oh my God, I'm nervous. I'm so nervous. Snail secretion. Putting the snail secretion on my face. I'm gonna use a little bit to start. See how that... It's not super slimy. A little bit more. Use 3 for the rest of the face. Oh shit. Oh my gosh, I hope this don't break me out. I have super sensitive skin, so we just gonna pray to God himself. Please. Put on my neck too. Please don't let me break out. I'm going to work. Like literally right after this. All right, day 1. Let me wipe this stuff on my hands. Yeah, so this is day 1. Oh my gosh, I'm nervous. Please don't break out. Ooh. All right. Update later or tomorrow. We gonna see. I'm gonna do it for like 3 days and see what the results are. Probably keep using it. I ordered 2, I think. I really did, because I didn't know if this was gonna work or not, and if it don't work, I'm gonna sell it. But if it does work, I'm gonna have a second bottle already on the way. So stay tuned.